Okay, Ps5 with analog drift and some funny buttons in the back. Oh man, these mods are funny, but yeah, people love them. We have to replace we have to sort out the analog here. That's out. Number one. Okay, also is some warranty stuff in the back. Okay, so one screw here. Now let's go down here. We need to take these buttons out. Put this there. One screw on top, and the other one is down here. Watch out for these clips here. There are two of them. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, now I gotta be careful with this mod here. Most likely there's some bunch of wires running on the back. So when you're lifting, just pay attention. There is two buttons here. I think glued with some type of, I don't know, epoxy or something. Okay, so we move to the battery. Take the battery out. Careful when removing this, can easily break the connector, rip it off. There's a screw here in the middle. Then holds the battery. Okay, before you do that, actually, you need to unplug here. Okay, it's best to remove from this side, but if you have a tweezer, you just do this. So the bottom there, yeah, that's off. Put it on the side. This comes off, and you can just peel it. You can just pull from the piece of plastic there. Okay, so this mod is sitting somewhere here. This controls can give me more work. That's off, and we unplug the analogs. No, sorry, the triggers. That's out. And what else needs to come off? I think that's it. No, there's a top one here for the sensor. The pad at the front. There we go. Yeah, gotta put you back into it on this one. Okay. On off. Okay, I recommend to desolder this. These wires here. Just remember the color code so you don't get them mixed up. So we have the green and red here second, and the black is the third one. Black is the third one. We desolder that. And you also desolder here, because it's soldered onto the analog. You'll just have to solder it back on again. Okay, that's it. thing now. Okay, wow. Which one are we removing now is the right analog. So all this solder here too, the vibrations. Vibration off. Second one is almost off. Okay, we got it. Yeah, that's off. Okay, now let's see if we can take this thing off. There's that clip there on the side. Okay, there we go. Yes, the motherboard is off. Automation. Okay, so we have an issue with the analog going to the left, so which means this potentiometer here is to go put this on the side. Soldering wire. Okay, so this one has to go because the console is tending to go. The control is going to the left. Actually, it's pulling to the right when you're moving to the left. We'll apply solder on the legs. You can even use low melt solder. Makes life easier. And you take something, a blade or something, to just lift this thing up. Okay, it's almost out. So now all you do is just hold it on the bottom. And the potentiometer is off. Now we'll just remove the solder. Okay, you can either remove this or you can leave it in place, it doesn't really matter. Usually I do leave it in place, but for the video, for those who are starting up our set, you can desolder the whole thing. Okay, we have 2 holes there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There's one more to go. Just hold it for a few seconds. And the third one don't want to come out. Okay, if that happens, I have solder paste. Actually, it's low melt. It's the one I use for to rebuild like EMMCs and stuff. It does melt at a lower temperature, so it'll make our life a bit easier. Just hold it there until it goes through the other side. Because on this side here, the board is a little bit thicker. So it's, I think it's the ground pad. So since the ground pad usually, the ground pad tend to hold more heat, tend to be on the thicker side. So we'll go again. now we have 3 holes in there. Perfect. Okay. Now we have our new potentiometer that we'll put in there. Since we did dig our holes here, the easiest is just put it in, just slide it in there. It's easier this way, yeah. I don't usually do it this way, but I'll say this is the easiest way. I usually just leave the solder and then I'll put the solder iron down there and then heat it up. And then you just push it in and it just clicks in. Okay, now we'll add some solder on the back. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, let's test on the PC and see if it's standing still. Okay, for that you just plug it in here and we go onto the PC. Okay, let's do everything in reverse now. Just like that. Move these wires out of the way. There are 4 of them. Even more. This goes that way. This there. I've got 2 more wires here. Okay. One down. It's in place. This goes back in place. There's one here too. Okay, this basically just do this. That's it. That's in place too. Okay, now we need to resolder this modding thing here. There we go. Yeah, it's back in place. Okay, now I need to know what were the colors. Oh man. Okay, so red goes here. Yeah, I hate this. Okay. That goes there. Turn it around again. You need to find a better angle to do the job anyway, so don't be shy moving it around. See, it's black here, and red goes there. Okay, now I need to rewind the video and then let me just see if there's a color thing there. It says CRS, blah 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 blah, ground. Okay, ground should be black. Okay, so basically I have to rewind the video now so I can solder these things here, because I don't know. I don't remember now. Okay guys, yeah, I checked the video. Lucky for me, it's green, red and black. So we'll start with black and then red goes. Last one, or first one. Yeah, it's that. This guy here can come here. Yes, push down here, push down there. Thing is checking out, the thing is clicking. Let's get on the PC and test. Okay, we have light. And we try. So it's dead center there. All the buttons are pressing, then the back ones. Okay, yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.